Exploring the world of words, mastering Thesauruses. Hello, language explorers. Today, we are going to delve deep into the treasure troves of words. Our focus for this session is the tool that word explorers like us can't live without, the Thesaurus. Unraveling its mysteries will help us understand synonyms, antonyms, and most importantly, enhance our reading comprehension by understanding the meaning of unfamiliar words. A thesaurus is a book or online tool that lists words in groups of synonyms and sometimes antonyms. Unlike a dictionary, which provides definitions, a thesaurus offers you a list of similar or related words for a particular word. This can be invaluable when you're trying to find a more precise word, vary your vocabulary, or even understand the various contexts a word can be used in. A thesaurus can be an excellent tool to expand your vocabulary and enhance your language skills. It can help you find the best word to express exactly what you mean, avoid repetition in your writing, and understand the slight differences between similar words. Moreover, a thesaurus can be a lifesaver in reading comprehension, allowing you to understand the context better by knowing the synonyms or antonyms of a challenging word. Using a thesaurus is simple. Let's say you've encountered an unfamiliar word while reading. What do? You search for this word in a thesaurus. 1. Locate the word. In a print thesaurus, words are listed alphabetically, while in an online tool, you can just type the word in the search bar. 2. Understand the meaning. Once you've found your word, you'll see a list of synonyms, words with similar meanings, and sometimes antonyms, words with opposite meanings. 3. Context matters. Check the word's synonyms and antonyms, but remember the context of the original sentence. The synonyms listed will have slightly different meanings, so you'll have to choose which fits best. While a thesaurus can be a great resource, it's essential to use it wisely. Not all synonyms are interchangeable. They might have different connotations or may be used in specific contexts. Therefore, always consider the original context and don't use a new word unless you're sure it fits. And that wraps up our exploration of the thesaurus. Remember, a thesaurus is more than just a list of words. It's a compass guiding us through the intricate paths of language, helping us make our way around unfamiliar words and enhancing our understanding. Use it wisely, and it will open up a world of enriched vocabulary and heightened reading comprehension. See you in our next language adventure.